Hey guys, what is up? Today we are doing a tutorial on how to clean salmon. I mean not salmon, rainbow trout. Now, I live in Mexico, Missouri, so we don't usually get a whole lot of rainbow trout, but over by the high school, there's a lake that stock trout, and we just caught these two beautiful, and today we're going to show you how to clean them. First, you're going to need a knife, reasonably sharp, a stone so you can clean it on, a fairly full milk jug of cold water. Now, you don't want to do this in hot water. As you can see, I got them in cold water right now. So what you're going to do after you catch them is, of course, take them home and instantly go to the water hose or wherever that puts out cold water. And then you want to rinse all the mud and the stuff that was on these fish off. And then you want to put them in some water until you're ready to start cleaning. So, step 1. Trying to get it set up. You want to take your fish out like that. And then take your knife. And where you're wanting to cut is right here. Now, you see the angle I have it on? Like that, a whole finger length between the blade and the fish. And then you want to start cutting. Okay, so the place that I have the blade set on, if you can see it, I'm not too sure. You just want to start cutting from there. And you do want to make sure this is a fairly sharp knife. And the fish is going to bleed a little bit. And it ain't the end of the world. So just keep cutting. And then until you're at the middle of the fish. And you can start seeing inside of it. And then you want to flip it around and do the same exact thing on the other side. And you want to cut in the same exact area, same exact angle. Just start cutting. And then now you want to match them up down here. You want to match up the two cuts right there. You want to match them up perfectly, almost perfectly. Doesn't matter. Then you just want to come back and keep sawing until, oof, I still need to cut a little more. And then when you're done with that, you want to make sure that it's cut right here. Just keep cutting until it's off like that. And yes, you are going to see some guts, but who cares, right? And you want to make sure the head looks kind of like that. As you can see, the cut almost matching up with the other cut. And then you want to go down here to the butt, and then you want to cut all the way down here, all the way down until you reach here. I'm going to do that, but doing it in camera view is kind of hard because the fish is kind of slippery. So we're gonna use a little bit of water. And then and it might milk if it's a male. It might not. If it's a female, it might have eggs. That's just life. And you might have to sharpen your blade 2 to 3 times in the video. Bam. And once you're at this step, you want to put down your knife. And go back inside and get a bag. Okay, so now we got our bag. And I did have to sharpen my blade. So, the next thing is, you want to grab the head, just like that. You just want to, then you want to turn it until it pops off. And you might hear it pop. And then, whoops, I was supposed to put that in the bag. Yes. Okay, so, and that is why we got the bag. You just want to put the... Where'd the other part go? There it is. You just want to put all that in the bag. And then there's a vein in here. You see that? That blood? You just want to take your finger and you want to run it all the way through. And it leaks. And then you want to take your bag and just run it all in there. You just want to go again and again until all of it is cleaned out. And if this is disgusting to you, then why are you even cleaning fish? But second of all, you want to make sure that it gets nice, and you can use the water bucket, splash it around in there, then you want to take it back out. Okay, so once you got that clean, you are done, but I do not have it all the way cleaned. Just another second. Now, it might take a minute to fully clean this, but it is well worth it, because then you get food. Clean it as best you can, but the tiny bit of stuff that's in there, that's like forced in there, you can't get it out, nothing can, just leave it in there, and it'll cook out. And hopefully you are cooking. I'm just playing. You can't eat this fish raw. Sorry, my hand was in the way. And then you're done with that one. Alright. And then you just want to do the same thing with your next fish. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, liked today's video, commented, subscribed, and all that cool stuff. Peace out.